Day makes really, because if you've been out today there's an immense amount of cloud across the UK, and underneath that area of cloud, yes, we've got quite a lot of wet weather to come. So if we zoom in on that in a little more detail, you can see that the cloud and the rain is sitting across Wales at the moment. Some of the heaviest pulses of rain across Wales. So if you're hill walking this afternoon, please take care. A lot of rain to come, and also some hill fog. We've also got some outbreaks of showery rain across Northern Ireland to come by 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's dry there at the moment, but more rain to come. The rain just starting to nudge towards north-eastern areas of Scotland as well. Aberdeenshire, you've seen the best of the weather so far today. Some heavy pulses of rain across the Cumbrian Fells, stretching down as well to the north of England and into the southeastern corner. So that 16 degrees in the London area this afternoon will feel a little bit disappointing in comparison to of late. 1 or 2 showers to the southwest too, but I think the bulk of the rain will start to ease off here during the afternoon. The rain generally will ease away for a time overnight. It's going to be an incredibly mild night to come in comparison to the last few, but a wet and windy one, rather misty and murky as well, with more significant rain entering into the southwest. Now this is a cause for concern. It's not just the rain, but also squally winds. The Met Office has issued an early watch because the rain and the combination of the strong winds, gale force gusts 60 miles an hour on exposed coast here, could cause potential damage during the morning. And it looks as though the real threat in the southeastern corner. So your journey to work for London tomorrow is certainly going to be a wet one. There'll be some heavy pulses of rain eventually. Also a finger of rain towards the Midlands and into the northwest of England. For western Scotland, we'll see some sharp showers, probably merging together for longer spells of rain for a time here. Blustery winds, but the real strong winds will develop a little bit later on in the afternoon. A rather grey, overcast start for much of Northern Ireland, and the same too for Wales as well. 1 or 2 showers around, grey, overcast, but the significant rain will certainly be for Dorset, for Devon and for Cornwall. We'll see some persistent rain and some strong winds to come. Now, because September's been so mild, there's a lot of leaves on the trees still, and so the combination of the heavy rain plus those squally gusts could mean that there could be 1 or 2 branches down, I think, by the end of Friday. The rain will clear away in the southeast, though, during Friday afternoon. The strong gale force gusts of winds on exposed coast develop in the far north and west of Scotland, with some intense rain as well. 14 to 17 degrees, I think we'll all be breathing a sigh of relief by the time we get to Saturday, and probably sweeping up some leaves, but still quite blustery on Saturday too.